Listen to the sentences. What do the new words mean?
1. Where is the start and where is the finish? To start is to begin. Let's start running together in the morning. 2. A. What's the problem? Anne is away from the lesson again. I think she is ill. B. I can't do it. It's very difficult. No problem. I will help you.
Listen and read. Different. Exercise. If. Just. Kind. Once. Outdoors. Without. To take part in. Different. Different countries. Different people. Different newspapers. To be different from something. The 3 children all go to different schools. This car is different from the car I drove yesterday. Exercise. 1. Exercises in the textbook. To do exercises. Exercise 3. The teacher asked us to do 3 exercises. 2. To get more exercises. To take some exercises. Please run, swim or cycle, but get some exercises. If. 1. If you're unwell. If he's happy. If you understand me. If you want to go there. Stay at home if you're ill. Just. Just an exercise. Just a poem. That's just what I wanted. You are just like your brother. Kind. All kinds of people. Different kinds of books. Different kinds of exercise. The film was okay. I think you'll like this kind of film. Once. Once a week. Once a month. Once a year. Once upon a time. They go to the swimming pool once a week. He once lived in Rome. Once upon a time, there was a king. Outdoors. To play games outdoors. To spend a lot of time outdoors. Their cat lives outdoors. Do you play table tennis outdoors? Without. Without a coat. Without books. Without John. He left without saying goodbye. To take part in. Alice always takes part in our games. Would you like to take part in our concert?